Hi, this is Meyer. Once again it's spring, and this is spring 2011. Just a quick update on what's going on in the rental market for you. You'd be interested to know there's a lot of inventory coming on. However, our market is holding very well, but there are a lot of larger suites out there now, a lot of 2 bedrooms, and they are just lingering a little bit longer than we have been enjoying in the past. Average prices are getting up around the $250 mark again for the 2 bedrooms, and we just had a 1-bedroom rent for $274 a square foot, so about $250 on average for the 2 bedrooms, and we've had our highest small 1-bedroom renting at $274 a square foot. Incidentally, small 1-bedrooms are much better than large 1-bedrooms. If you have 520 square feet, you're going to get a higher price per square foot than you would for a 700 one. There's diminishing returns. Just because you have a larger living room and bedroom, etc., it won't get you more money, it'll actually get you less money per square foot. Small, as we've been saying for a long time, is always better here. Why is our inventory up? Well, we've had a lot of new buildings as usual coming on stream. We've had the 2 Dolce towers in the last quarter finalised and coming on. Those are on Seymour. 2 lovely towers, corner of Seymour and Smythe, Dolce and Vita. We've also just had the Capitol opening up in the last day or two. That's a 42-storey tower just up the street on Seymour, I beg your pardon. Seymour and Robson. I think there's almost 300 suites in that one. Anyway, it's a 42-storey tower. I think there's 12 suites per floor on the first 30 floors or something, so quite a lot of suites. It doesn't start till floor 9 though, so, and I don't think there's a 13, so anyway, if you're wondering about my math. Then there's also the Millennium Village, which there's been a lot of discussion about. That's on the southeast corner of Falls Creek. It's been sort of a political football in the city. But finally those are coming on stream. There's lots and lots of development scheduled to come in there in the next quarter to a year. Many developments coming in there. And later in this year we're going to have Richards. There's a new development at Richards and Helmken coming on. That's almost finished now. We've got Patina, the YMCA tower, and we've also got Pender Place, very close to completion. That's down near Stanley Park. So again, another 1,000 units slated before the end of the year, by the fall I think, coming on. And then into next year we've got many more as well. There's still an ongoing construction boom here. The real estate market has been very strong and very active, and there's still a tremendous number of people coming to Vancouver, which is keeping the prices up, and prices and inventory continuing to increase. We're doing very well, making sure that everything is rented, and like I say, we're having a very strong spring market so far. Just a little bit of a lull, as I'm saying, in the larger suites as usual. Just one thing to point out, very important these days, is to have parking. A lot of suites are not coming with that now. The parking is at a premium. Hardwood floors over carpet any day of the week. Tenants are not wanting carpet anymore. It's definitely not fashionable, and makes it much harder to rent. And outdoor spaces, as the city gets more and more dense, and more the desire for outdoor space is becoming much more prevalent, and we're seeing that it's becoming a very big thing to achieving higher and higher rents. So always look for that if you're looking for something. So small, hardwood floors, outdoor space, and with a parking space. But all in all, I think it's very good. Gastown, of course, is still going very well. Unique suites, that's another thing we've always liked in downtown suites. Unique properties always do well. Keep away from the cookie cutter boxes. Something a little different, a brick wall, a beam, or an interesting building with high ceilings. Kitsilano has achieved some very good prices recently. We've been very bullish on kits for a long time here at Downtown Suites, as we are on Gastown. And we're looking forward to a very strong late spring and summer. So thanks very much.